Hello guys and welcome to today's video. I'm going to cover niching down in SaaS and SMMA and why is it very important. And I'm also going to upload this course to YouTube for free to be available for everyone. Here is what we are going to cover. First, why you should niche down. Second, how can you get an unfair advantage in the market. Third, best niches in SMMA and SaaS. And the fourth, personal experience. Warning, this is the most important video in the entire course. Watch the entire video, don't skip, don't fast forward. Pro tip, watch the video in 2x speed. First, I want to talk about why you should niche down. First, it increases expertise and authority. For example, if I work with only roofers, I am going to know every pain point of the client. I'm going to know every desired outcome, what he wants to achieve. I know the different kind of tools and actions that have to take that needs for success. The second is easier targeting and marketing. If I know every roofer in my city, they can refer me to each other, and I can target my ads for them, because if you get to a certain point, you can even use ads, not just cold outreach as messages or email and cold calls. It is far more scalable. I have experienced it in my own, because before I have niched down, I was looking everywhere, and if you niche down, after a while, you get to a certain point where you are in a tunnel and you see the success and where you have to go. And the fourth is reduced competition. All the agencies are doing it wrong, in my opinion, because they are not niche down, and they want to do SEO for everybody, Google ads, Facebook ads, content marketing, and I think they cannot be very good at it through this way. If you say that you only do reputation management for dentists, then you are gonna be really great at it, and nobody can compete you. How to get an unfair advantage? This is the second point. Leverage your experience and skills. Before niching down, you should ask yourself, what am I good at? What is making me happy? What skills do I have? For example, am I good at I don't know, going to the gym or writing, or do I have a connection here or there? Does my parents do this? Am I interested in a certain topic or something that helps me, keeping me motivated? But for example, in my case, I've niched down to roofers for a while, and I was not interested in that. So it is just a good head start in the beginning to leverage your experience and skills. The second is use your network and connections. For example, your friends, your family, your parents, your girlfriend, boyfriend. You can use these for getting an unfair advantage. Solve problems you are passionate about. This is what I have talked about. The fourth, analyze market gaps and trends. So for example, if you see that nobody is doing SEO for chiropractors or Google ads for kitchen remodeling companies, then you can be the first. And if you get the first success in your journey, then it is going to be much more easier to work with that kind of clients. This is a more scalable process. You can give standardized systems and templates, you can work on it, and you can sell it to every customer that you come across. Number two is faster service delivery. As I already said, you have standardized templates and systems that have been built out. For example, if you register to GoHighLevel with my link, with my free link, then I'm going to give you my whole system for reputation management, and you can sell it to all kinds of companies, the same system what I have been built out for you, just for you guys. And number 3 is efficient team training. Later in your journey, when there is gonna be employees like I have two, then it is going to be far more effective to just work on one topic instead of 3 or 4, and you're gonna have more predictable results than if you are going in the far black nothing, because you know the whole niche and you have worked with clients, and you kind of know throughout the journey what part is more easy, what part is harder, and yes. And fourth is my personal experience. Let's say that before I was niching down, I kinda had some success in some parts of my journey. I have worked with car cosmetics and some electrician people, but after I have niched down, that is when I experienced my first success that I could scale after a while. And I could understand the client pain points, what they need, what's their desired outcomes, and yes, this is all that I can say. When I niche down, I experienced like the first like bigger success. I kinda made one roofer very great results, and after it I could call other roofers that let's see, I have 15 new clients in just 2 weeks for this roofer, and after it it was really just of references, and people told to each other that I have a good marketing guy, and after a while it kinda moves itself, your business, your marketing, and it's much more easy to work when you are niche down. In the beginning I didn't believe it, but it is very important. And this is the fourth point, which I'm pretty sure you are going to get there. After a while I can reduce the risk for a client to work with me. For example, if I'm working with a high ticket client, and I will make a different video on it, if I run a database reactivation campaign before he even works with me, I can generate, for example, $10,000 for that business, and it's much more easier to trust me after I have done that for the business, and they will pay me for a long time, and they will be a very good client if you reduce the risk and you know the client pain points of that niche. Let's talk about the best niches for GoHighLevel and SaaS. Real estate agency, dental clinic, legal services, e-commerce, coach, consultant, insurance and agent, solar panel company, gardening company, travel agent, photography, videography, personal education, cafe, catering, gym, beauty salon, car dealership, restaurant, financial services, home services, roofing, event planning, marketing, advertising, web development and design, hotel and wellness, and also bar and pub. So you see, guys, there are a lot of niches, and it is not saturated. It is a really good business model. And if you join my free course, actually there is some really good training that how can you do warm outreach to warm leads, or either cold outreach through personal messages, through email, through telephone. That's all in my free group. And in summary, you can have streamlined workflows, faster and more consistent results, and improved team efficiency, so it's much more better to niche down to one specific industry. I really recommend it to you, because in the beginning I did not believe it, and that's when I experienced first big success when I did it. There will be a free GoHighLevel link in the description. You can join GoHighLevel with my link. I would really appreciate it, and you can join my free course, and there is some real good bonuses if you try it with my link, and I'm going to give it all just for free.